Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to open block editor in AutoCAD. For example, I will open this window block. The next, if you want to open block editor, you can use bedit command. You can tap bedit, press enter. It will be show for edit block definition. You need to select the block, like I will select this block and click OK. So it will be moved into block editor. You can close in here, block editor. The other option, you only click this block twice. It will be open for edit block definitions and it will be automatically select for the block. Click OK to open block editor. Now, like for example, I will draw simple circle in here and click close block editor. Save. Now the block will be automatically updated. Okay, that's it, how to open block editor in AutoCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.